Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to show you the tutorial how to find and remove the duplicates on your Google Sheet automatically. So the device that I use now is iPhone XR, and the way to remove and find the duplicate is just go into the Google Sheets application, and now you just need to find the documents that you want to check the duplicates to, and I already prepared to you guys. So here I already have the data here. If you can see, it's just a small data, so we can analyze which one is duplicate here. But then if we have a bunch of data, it's gonna take time to check it manually, so let's do it automatically by use a formula that provided by the Google Sheet. And the formula that we used to analyze the duplicate is a COUNTIF. You just need to go click this button and click equals, and after that type COUNTIF. There will be pop up here. You just need to click COUNTIF, and after that you just need to click the range of the data. Okay, let me show you. Here you need to drag all of the data, and after that go add the symbols, and now we just need to click the criterion, which is the first cells like this, and after you're done you just need to go click done here, and there will be count. If the numbers on this cell is 2, means that there is 2 duplicates or 2 words on this whole data. And after that, let's check for the rest by go click the autofill, block all the cells and click it, then click autofill. So there is 2 data that found duplicate here. The banana has 2 words on it, and the dogs too, they also have 2 words on it, means that the banana and dog have 2 same data. And how to remove it, you just need to use another formula. Go into the next cells, edit the cells, click equals, and now you just need to type unique. There will appear here, and after that you just need to drag the range, drag the cells again, now drag into the hole. When you're done, you just need to go click done, and you already have a clean data without duplicate on it. So that's the way how to find and remove duplicates data on the Google Sheets. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.